Alright, Saturday the 4th of May, half noon. Okay, yeah, 2019. Alright, so there you go, a natural looking sky for once. No fucking arseholes spraying from what I've seen this morning up to now. However, early morning sort of went, you know, I had to post some parcels. This isn't the sky that we are seeing now. It was about 9 AM. It's completely overcast. Couldn't even see the sun, and it was nasty, right? However, to get it like this to a natural looking sky, you know what we used to remember in the past. Well, I don't know, like over 20 years ago, yeah. It had to be, all the crap they put up there had to be blown away. It doesn't seem like it here, but the winds are very strong. They've been gusting. I almost actually got blown over not long ago, because it's quite there's some wind, but it's quite shielded here, so shielded from the wind. But it's very, very windy, and you know, luckily that wind has blown away all the artificial crap. Okay, so there you go. So it's a nice day with fluffy white clouds, not grey monstrous piece of shit with blue in between, not a whited out grayscale artificial piece of shit. Alright, so that's what it should look like. Okay, on there for the spring season, that's what it should look like. Okay, there we go. Yeah, okay, that's it. I'll leave it there. Yeah, the last video I uploaded it this morning, but it was from yesterday. Yeah, so there's that. So there we go. But don't expect this to last, because we've still got these criminals. These weather terrorists are going to be spraying. I don't know. I'm expecting them any moment. Right? Yeah, they'll soon turn up. There'll be fleets of tanker aircraft shitting up the sky, no doubt. Surely. You know, because you know they're going to do it, because the arseholes doing this to us, these weather terrorists, they're not dead yet, are they? So they're gonna continue. They have to be stopped, right? If World War III happens, I'm surely it's going to be over this bollocks, right? Yeah. Okay, so there you go. Nice sky, but it's not going to last, is it?